Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, The Education Hub. In this video, we are going to learn about parts of speech. Speech means whatever we speak or talk. We use sentences. Sentences is made up of words and words is made up of letters. We can say that first we got letters, then words, then sentences, then speech. According to it, the definition of parts of speech is words are divided into various parts or classes according to the function they do in a sentence. Each among them is called parts of speech. The parts of speech are 8 in number. Nowadays, some people consider 9 or even 10 parts of speech, adding article and determiners in modern English. Let us know about the kinds of parts of speech. The first part is noun. Noun is naming words like Ram, Kolkata, etc. Second, pronoun, used in place of noun, he, she, it, they, etc. Then verb that express action of facts, read, write, play. Then adjectives that qualifies noun or pronoun, good, bad, beautiful, etc. Adverb, words that qualifies noun and adjective, slowly, neatly, loudly, etc. Preposition, words that relate nouns to other noun or a pronouns in a sentence like in, on, under, between, etc. Conjunctions, words that join words and sentences or clauses like and, but, so, it, although, because, etc. And last, interjection, that expressing certain feelings of the mind. Example, alas, oh. It's time to know about noun. See some examples which are given below. Ram is a doctor. Ritika is girl. The cow is grazing. These pens are in the table. India is my country. In these examples, we are seeing that person, animals, things, place are included. According to it, we can say that noun is a word which is used as the name of anything, or a noun is naming word, or a noun is the name of person, place, animal, human qualities, ideas, or things. Now it's turn to know kinds of noun. Noun is divided into two parts, countable and uncountable. Countable noun has divided into three parts, proper noun, common noun, collective noun. And uncountable noun has divided into two parts, materials noun and abstract noun. Let us understand about proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or things. किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान, वस्तु, देश, दिन, महीना इत्यादि के खास नाम को प्रॉपर नाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम, श्याम, लखनऊ, डेली, गंगा, रामायण, दिवाली, होली, द इलस्ट्रेटेड वीकली, फेब्रुअरी, सैटरडे, हिंदू, etc. Here some key points about proper noun. Proper noun always write first letter in capital in the beginning. Don't use article a or an with it. If proper noun used as common noun, we can use a or an before it. For example, he is a Vikramaditya known for his fireness. In this sentence, Vikramaditya is used as a common noun. So, before it, we used article A of Vikramaditya. Second is common noun. Common noun is not used for particular person, place or things. In fact, it tells about same kind of person, place or category. For example, boy, girl, country, city, book, river, dog and newspaper etc. जिस नाउन से किसी विशेष या खास व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान का बोध न हो, बल्कि उससे समस्त जाति, प्रजाति या श्रेणी का बोध हो, उसे कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं। कॉमन का अर्थ है जो सब में शामिल हो, शेयर्ड इन अ कॉमन बाय एवरीथिंग ऑफ द सेम क्लास आर काइंड। Third is collective noun. Collective noun is denoting about the or a number of person or things considered as one. For example, class, वर्ग, crowd, भीड़, army, सेना, flock, झुंड, टीम, दल, गैंग, समूह, family, परिवार, committee, समिति, bunch, गुच्छा इत्यादि। In short, we can say collective noun is the particular name of a group. Material noun is the name of a substance that is eaten, drunk, measured and weighted but not counted. For example, water, oil, butter, milk, curd, sugar, lime, it means chuna, silver, chalk, lunch, wool etc. These points are to be noted. वुड मटेरियल नाउन है, परंतु इससे बना हुआ चेयर, टेबल, बेंच, हाउसेस, दीज आर कॉमन नाउन्स। जस्ट लाइक bread also material noun, so we use a piece of bread for a bread. At last we will know about abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of such type of thing which is not seen or touched but only thought of, like honesty, ईमानदारी, poverty, गरीबी, bravery, बहादुरी, beauty, सुंदरता, goodness, अच्छाई, kindness, दयालुता, sleep, नींद, death, मृत्यु, love, प्यार, etc. Here are some important points about the abstract noun to be remembered. Abstract noun cannot make plural. Don't use any article before it. In any special परिस्थिति, can use the. Let's understand about the noun with the help of some examples or sentences. First example is Tendulkar is the best player in the team. In this sentence, Tendulkar is the example of proper noun, player is the example of common noun, and team is the example of collective noun. Second sentence is ice melts in June. Ice is the example of material noun and June is the example of proper noun. Gold is costly metal. Gold and metal both are the examples of material noun. Health is wealth. Here health and wealth is also example of abstract noun. Next sentence is I have a pet dog. Its name is Tommy. Here dog is the example of common noun and Tommy is the example of proper noun. Here are some examples of collective noun. How we use a particular word for a collection. An army, a collection of soldiers. A crowd, a collection of people. A mob, a collection of angry people. A fleet, a collection of sheep. A bunch, used for a collection of keys. Now how to frame noun to adding suffix in any word. ry. Example, bravery, slavery, formery. cy, democracy, literacy, celibacy. ty, responsibility, beauty, activity. ness, happiness, humbleness, sadness. ism, socialism, realism. ship, friendship, kingship, hardship. hood, brotherhood, childhood, motherhood. ment, employment, management. ends, ignorance, importance. ins, obedience, preference, influence. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो और ये आपके लिए उपयोगी हो और आपको मेरे पढ़ाने का तरीका अच्छा लगा हो, देन सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. प्लीज़ like and share. Don't forget to press bell icon.